fast enough. Rainy, come on. There's nothing in there, sweet pea. Rainy. Come on. You sweet baby, huh? Yeah, you're a sweet baby. Oh, yes, eat my iPod. That's a good idea. And there's Fanny.
They don't have any things in my size.
Huh?
They don't have any of these in my size, so they wouldn't be able to ride me.
There goes our game plan. Rainy, what you doing?
People want to ride a small person.
Hi, Fanny. Having fun, Poppy? Got some chicken friends. All the chickens are over there.
Oh, I was about
Well,
to
not
say,
all of them.
chickens? Come here. Head up. Come on. Please tell me you're kidding. Head up.
No, you've got a whole bale of hay in front of them.
I'm kidding. Not you. This one right here.
Fanny.
You little butthole. Quit chewing for a moment. Toe?
No, not allowed. Must chew.
Seriously, licking the gate? What is that going to do for you, Rainy?
I like the chicken that's now like, what
Are
do
you
you do?
taking a video or a...
Yo, Fanny.
Let me see it. I want to show her licking the gate.
Was that yummy? Gate. Deadly.
How old are you?
22.
Seriously?
Mhm.
Yeah. Thought you were like 18.
So does everybody else.
Left.
I know, maybe I was like not born when I was born and my parents just wanted to hide something, you know? Surprised they'd made me older, I don't know.
Maybe you're what?
I said maybe my parents were trying to hide something and I really am 18. Except I remember a lot from the 90s. You coming? Yep, I'm coming. I'm just gonna eat your elbow.
I need my carrot.
Hmm?
I need a carrot.
Hey, that's my shirt. That's my shirt. That's my iPod. Oh, yummy. Oh, yes, yes. Delicious. Horses licked my iPod. I don't actually get what is with people and licking my iPod. Because my cousin did it too.
It goes like this. Num num.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I mean I like grab your phone. Num nums.
What'd you get, Rainy? Rainy! She's like, I'm done with you. I'm going back out to my mom. Wait, mom's like, finally.
Did you get a new mother?
Woo! Yeah, right in the bud. Hi, sweet pea.
Oh, hi, Mickey. Oh, you're muddy.
Yep. Muddy Mickey.
Oh, you're muddy. You're muddy. You're muddy.
Ooh, come on, let's get out of here. There's wasp.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the other baby's name?
That one?
Yeah.
Sequin.
Sequin. That's what I thought, but they were throwing names so quickly. It was like, you know.
Who did you think that one was?
I don't know. I figured it was sequin, but I didn't want to be wrong. You know?
It's
Oh,
alright
there
to
goes
be wrong.
Rainy.
I'm usually always wrong. She's probably running up there.